The Anker 3-in-1 power bank is engineered for convenience and versatility, making it an essential accessory for those on the go. Its foldable 30-watt plug ensures easy portability while providing fast charging for a range of devices. Available in both 5,000 and 10,000 mAh capacities, this power bank can efficiently charge your smartphone, tablet, or other electronics multiple times without needing to be recharged itself. Minimalism meets precision with this thoughtfully engineered monitor light bar, tailored for professionals who demand clarity without compromise. The wireless controller puts full brightness and color temperature control at your fingertips, no fumbling with buttons or cords. Whether you're diving into detailed CAD work, editing late into the night, or simply browsing, this light delivers uniform illumination with zero screen glare. Its space-saving clamp design clears desk clutter while maximizing screen real estate. Rokid Max AR glasses bring the future into your hands, offering an immersive, cutting-edge experience for both work and play. These lightweight glasses feature an impressive 50-degree field of view, providing a massive 215-inch screen that mimics the experience of watching a display 6 meters away. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees smooth, vibrant visuals, making gaming and media consumption extraordinary. The Tula mic sets a new standard in portability and professional-grade sound. This USB-C microphone offers studio-quality recording, making it an ideal tool for both mobile recording and desktop studio setups. Equipped with interchangeable cardioid and omnidirectional capsules, it delivers crisp, clear audio for various applications, whether recording vocals, instruments, or podcasts. In the dead of night, when most optics fail, this precision-engineered tool thrives. Designed for professionals who demand clarity in total darkness, this device reveals what the naked eye misses. With an extraordinary 800-yard detection range, it doesn't just illuminate shadows. It turns the dark into daylight. The full-color night vision isn't enhanced by artificial filters or AI simulation, it's the real thing. Pure, authentic color capture with 99% sRGB accuracy for stunning fidelity. The DuX Float redefines mobile computing with its sleek, ergonomic design. This portable monitor, designed to enhance productivity on the go, offers a stackable screen solution that adds a convenient second display to your laptop. Ideal for multitaskers, the DuX Float easily attaches to the back of your device, folding flat for easy transport. Its lightweight, ultra-thin build ensures you won't be weighed down during travel. Equipped with a vibrant touchscreen, the DuX Float brings intuitive control, allowing you to interact directly with your content. The ICO Active Buds. amzn.to earbuds represent a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design, crafted to elevate your listening experience. Engineered with an AMOLED touchscreen, these earbuds offer intuitive controls, providing effortless navigation of your music, calls, and settings with a simple tap. The dual-device simultaneous Bluetooth 5.3 connection ensures a seamless transition between multiple devices, eliminating the need for constant pairing. The Roller Pro is a sleek, durable trolley built to accommodate the needs of modern travelers and photographers. Engineered with a hybrid soft-hard construction, it balances lightweight maneuverability with rugged resilience. Its design offers enhanced access, allowing users to easily organize and reach their belongings. The trolley's robust yet thin structure ensures it can endure the rigors of travel while remaining compact enough for efficient storage. Unleash creative potential without the clutter of multiple devices. The Leany PixCut S1 merges 3 essential tools: printer, laminator, and cutter into a single compact powerhouse. With its patented print laminate cut automation, you can turn a single sheet of paper into a durable, waterproof sticker in under 2 minutes. No manual feeding, no machine swaps, just load your design and let the PixCut S1 do the rest. The Eve Paint Cam security system offers a cutting-edge approach to enhancing both safety and security. Featuring real-time face recognition, it ensures immediate identification of individuals, whether you're monitoring your home, business, or any sensitive area. The system's sophisticated algorithms provide quick, accurate assessments, ensuring that only authorized personnel are allowed access. In addition to the face recognition, the system includes a unique paintball marking feature. Cluttered desks and tangled cords are a thing of the past. The X-Cool The One Cable 8-in-1 Ultimate Cable brings clean efficiency to your everyday tech life. Designed for seamless charging and syncing, it replaces the need for multiple cables, delivering portability and practicality wherever you go. Built for universal compatibility, it powers everything from USB-C smartphones to Lightning devices with USB-A and USB-C chargers. Simplify your gear and enjoy stress-free charging across all your gadgets. Designed with purpose and built for control, the Vault 2.0 reshapes how you manage your everyday carry. Inspired by the logic of folders and the simplicity of book pages, this modular system redefines functional organization with precision and intent. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or working from multiple locations, Vault 2.0 adapts to your gear and your rhythm. Each size, Mini Light, Flex Pro, and Max Haul, caters to specific carry needs, ensuring your essentials are always where they need to be. There's a bold satisfaction in precision. From its solid metal frame to its finely engineered keystrokes, this keyboard blends the nostalgia of vintage typewriters with modern performance. Crafted with all-metal construction, including a cast metal return bar, fully programmable and defaulting to the Enter key, it delivers tactile feedback that feels intentional and grounded. The scroll knobs serve dual duty, controlling both page navigation and volume, offering a unique interface that's as practical as it is stylish. Introducing the future of connectivity, the Super Cable 2.0, engineered to exceed every expectation. Designed to deliver lightning-fast speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second and handle power demands of up to 240 watts, this cable is a true game changer. Whether you're powering multiple 8K displays or transferring massive amounts of data, the Super Cable 2.0 ensures seamless performance every time. Revolutionize your note-taking experience with NuaPen, where technology meets precision. No more dealing with the chaos of paper clutter. With NuaPen, your handwritten notes, whether on sticky notes or large paper rolls, are instantly digitized and organized. This AI-powered tool adapts to any writing surface, allowing you to create freely and without restriction. NuaPen's cutting-edge AI ensures smooth, continuous writing for up to 2 hours on a single charge. Tucked neatly in a corner or rolled into place with ease, this compact top-load washing machine redefines efficiency in small living spaces. Whether you're in a tight apartment, an RV, or a dorm, it's built for adaptability without sacrificing performance. Measuring just 18.1 inches wide, 17.7 inches deep, and 31.5 inches tall, this washer fits where others can't, yet it still packs a punch. Equipped with 5 wash programs, heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, and 3 water level settings, it lets you control every cycle from start to finish. The Tesco 2 self-stirring coffee mug stands as a versatile and efficient tool for anyone seeking convenience in their daily routine. Featuring an automatic magnetic stirring mechanism, this stainless steel mug ensures your coffee, tea, or other beverages are consistently mixed without the need for manual stirring. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, its multifunctional design adds practicality to your lifestyle. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this mug is built to withstand regular use while maintaining an appealing, sleek look. The Leafeet S1 Pro is a versatile sea scooter designed for water enthusiasts seeking to enhance their underwater experiences. With a maximum speed of 6.5 kilometers per hour, it provides an efficient and enjoyable way to explore the depths of the ocean. The scooter features 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to tailor your ride to the environment or your level of experience. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, or swimming, the Leafeet S1 Pro adapts to your needs, ensuring smooth and controlled movement. The Superbase V offers a groundbreaking solution for home energy storage, designed to meet the demands of modern households with unmatched efficiency. With a robust capacity of up to 64 kilowatt hours, this system can power essential devices for extended periods, whether for daily use or during an emergency. Its dual voltage output of 120 or 240 volts ensures compatibility with a wide range of household appliances, making it versatile for various applications. Slip into a future of seamless intelligence with the Halliday's Ultimate Pair, AI glasses built for minds that never rest. Weighing just 1.23 ounces, these feather-light glasses carry the force of a proactive AI assistant embedded within an invisible display, ensuring your view remains unobstructed while your focus sharpens. Relief shouldn't be complicated, especially when dealing with the nagging aftermath of a bug bite. The VB's Bite Healer T1 makes post-bite irritation a thing of the past, offering rapid and drug-free comfort in just 10 seconds. This compact electronic bite relief tool is tailored for on-the-go use and ideal for all skin types, even during pregnancy without risk to your baby. Feel the difference in oral care with advanced microcurrent technology. The Traumat's microcurrent toothbrush redefines how you clean your teeth, without vibration, without noise, and without damage. Instead of relying on bristles and sonic force, this sleek, lightweight device delivers silent, soothing microcurrents that deeply cleanse the gums and enamel. It's ideal for those with sensitive teeth or gum concerns, providing a calming yet thorough clean you can't get from standard brushes. When shadows fall and streets darken, Flector 360 steps in with unmatched brilliance. This award-winning bike reflector brings 360-degree visibility to your wheels, turning your spokes into safety shields that shine under any beam. At just 0.03, 5 ounces per reflector and engineered to wrap snugly around any standard spoke, the Flector 360 doesn't compromise speed or performance. Even the most traditional bedroom can be transformed into a high-functioning space when this innovative side table enters the scene. Merging design with technology, this piece redefines what a nightstand should be. It includes a built-in cooling drawer, perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, or medication at the right temperature without leaving your bed. Whether placed beside your bed or your living room chair, the wireless charging pad on top keeps your phone powered without clutter. Bluetooth speakers are neatly integrated, offering immersive sound without requiring separate gear. Kata's has redefined portability and performance with the Mind, a powerful yet compact device designed for the modern creator. Weighing just 0.99 pounds and smaller than an A4 sheet, the Mind delivers impressive mobility without compromising on power. Equipped with a 5.55 watt-hour battery, it offers up to 25 hours of sleep mode, ensuring you're always prepared for your next creative challenge. When desk clutter drains your focus and cables tangle your routine, there's finally a smarter solution that powers through the chaos. Meet the charging mat that transforms your workspace into a wireless command center. Engineered with a large charging area, this mat utilizes high-frequency electromagnetic resonance charging technology to deliver fast, efficient power across multiple devices. Whether you're topping off your phone, earbuds, or smartwatch, its Qi charging capability ensures seamless compatibility with today's most popular wireless devices. In your hand lies more than just a tool. It's a studio, a tripod, a stabilizer, and a grip. Multipod transforms the way you capture moments, whether you're hiking rugged trails or shooting in your backyard. Built to be ultra-compact at just 5.5 inches when folded, it easily fits in your pocket or small pouch, yet extends smoothly to over 10 inches for perfect reach and angle. With a single twist, switch between handheld grip, tripod, and selfie stick, no need to carry extra gear. The Ego 56-volt cordless mini bike redefines what's possible in compact electric performance. Its powerful rear hub motor launches riders with whisper-quiet torque, propelling the bike to speeds up to 28 miles per hour. Fueled by two 7.5 amp-hour ARC lithium batteries, it covers up to 20 miles per charge, making it a reliable off-road machine for adventure seekers. With 3 selectable riding modes, ECO, Normal, and Sport, plus a reverse gear and integrated parental controls, the Akefly 3-in-1 neck traction system is a powerful solution designed to alleviate neck pain and discomfort. Utilizing advanced technology, this device supports the upper trapezius while providing effective traction for the neck. Its dynamic system gently stretches the muscles, helping to release tension and promote relaxation. Ideal for those experiencing stiffness or soreness, the traction mechanism offers a customizable experience. One of the standout features is the 3-level red light pulse heat therapy, which targets deeper muscle layers. This therapy not only soothes tightness but also improves blood circulation. Introducing the SCADU M1, a groundbreaking cleaning device that elevates home hygiene to the next level. The M1 combines versatility with powerful technology designed to efficiently clean and sterilize your home in a single pass. With the ability to vacuum both wet and dry messes, this device tackles all types of surfaces effortlessly, from carpets to hard floors. Incorporating cutting-edge features, the SCADU M1 offers a handheld vacuum mode for precise cleaning in tight spaces. The fellow Espresso Series 1 marks a significant expansion in the company's lineup, stepping into the world of espresso machines with a product designed for both newcomers and experienced baristas. With a price tag of $1,500, it's positioned within the higher-end market, but offers exceptional value through its customizable features. Unlike many competitors, the Series 1 allows full control over brewing parameters, including temperature, pressure, extraction time, and steaming. When every second counts, whether you're racing daylight on a mountain trail or commuting through city chaos, you need gear that works fast and right. Enter the AirVot, a 4-in-1 tire inflator engineered for smart, high-performance inflation on the go. Compact, yet mighty. It weighs only 7.4 ounces and is built with a cordless frame that fits effortlessly in your palm, backpack, or glove box. Cyclists, bikers, campers, and ballers, this one's built for you. The Insta360 Link-2 C4K webcam stands out as a premium choice for professional streaming, video calls, and gaming. Designed for both PC and Mac, it boasts a 1/2-inch sensor for exceptional clarity and detail. With 4K resolution, your broadcasts or video conferences are captured in stunning visual quality, whether you're working from home or streaming to an audience. One of its standout features is auto-framing, which intelligently adjusts the camera's position to keep you in focus